Hi guys. All right, so this is Robert Jewett here with my fancy reading glasses on. But this is the Great Bird set from Hoyle's, who I've been working with for a while now, and I just wanted you to see kind of what you're gonna get. Now the lighting's not great and my house is a mess because I'm also building a Darren Dixon motorcycle from The Walking Dead, and it's too hot to do it in the garage, so it's all over my living room. So don't judge me. Using my Indiana Jones pocket knife. Oh, my dog just ate a piece of tape. Hold on. Oh, come back here. Come here. Let's see. Let's just open one. This is really hard to do. Here we go. Pretty cool. Looks pretty accurate to me. Alright guys, so that's kind of what it looks like. Okay, now these are really packed, as you'll see. They were double boxed in their own little compartment. Nothing has been broken. So here, as you can see, is the Hawk, which is the Knight, and it's pretty well. Looks pretty good, and it is prop accurate to the original movie. And as we found out, and I know that I'm the biggest monster because I'm the one that convinced everybody that the pieces weren't green and instead they were red. And as you can see, there's a little Hoyle signature right there. It's kind of interesting. That's cool. And I convinced everybody that they were red, and some of the very early sets were red. But the earliest set of the Banbury ones were actually brown, and that's what was used in the movie. And we've kind of proved it. So we found somebody with one of those older sets, and we found, and you can see the detail on this is just incredible. They really did a good job. I mean, I spent months resculpting whole parts of it, and they did a couple touch-ups too, but I'll tell you what, they just did an amazing job. And as you can see here, the light on this, the detail, I'll try to give you some detail if my phone can focus. It's just incredible. All these are cut perfectly round, just unbelievable. Do I have these in the right spot? Yes. Bishops, which are the tuft owl. I'll tell you what, getting those tufts on those owls, because they were all broken, to get them perfect based on pictures took me 3 or 4 days. It was crazy. Okay, go get that ring light. My dog is groaning in the background. Can you see these? I'm gonna turn these this way so you can see how the backs look. My daughter's gonna bring a ring light right now. I may not do every single piece just because I am really clumsy today, and I know that I'm gonna just drop one of these on the floor. She's gonna turn a ring light on. Alright, so this should be a little better. I want you guys to kind of see some of the detail here. Remember, this is not how I produce videos for my clients. Just don't judge me. I'm gonna set some of these here like this. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Man, they did a good job. You know, and I hope I have these in the right order. I think I do. If I don't, I know you're all gonna judge me, but I guess I deserve it. put such good tape on here. It's hard to even cut it open. Like, I don't even know. I'm trying to be careful. I feel like I'm just gonna knock a bunch of stuff over on video. You already saw that. That's another L. Here's the peacock, which is the queen. Queen on her own colors. Let's see if the original. Yep, see, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, R. Fisher is the original sculptor, and his name is still on there, which is amazing. They managed to keep that. That nick right here, this whole section is what I resculpted, and it was tough. I ended up having to make custom tools because the modern tools that you get for working with clay are not the same shape and size as the ones that he used. So I ground down a tool and I rebuilt the neck. Here's the king. Alright, actually I'll show you some of these up close in white. The ivory. And I feel really clumsy today, and I'm trying to avoid knocking these over or breaking them. But you can see like all the detail of the gauntlet here, all the little pieces, every little feather. Let's see if we can get it to focus. I don't even know if that's focusing. All right, what are we missing? I think we're missing a raven, which is the rook, right? That's my dog in the background again. He's in his bed and he's not happy because he wants to eat all of this packing material. But they packed them really well. See, even the beaks are intact. That's one thing that always seems to break during shipping. Look at that detail there. Perfectly round little felts. They are green. Some of the later sets and the knockoff sets have red felt. So that's awesome attention to detail. So as you guys know, there's 5 different sets out there. There's the original set that Hoyle started selling. I'll post the name. I forgot the name of the manufacturers of that. Then there's the early brown Banbury sets, and then there's the red and black Banbury sets. And that's the one that a lot of people have that are selling for about 800 bucks on eBay. Here's one of the pawns. You can see all of that detail there. You gotta put the pawns at an oblique. My dog is making tons of noise. He is biting his... Let's see, is that too bright? I think it is. Try to do it over here where it's less bright. I just feel like I'm gonna drop one of these on camera and you guys are all gonna laugh at me. Every one of these beaks got here intact, which is amazing. From England. In like 5 days. I got a shipping notification. They use DHL. And I don't know if they use the express service or what, but 5 days. Clearing customs and everything. It's amazing. Emily, you did amazing. Here's another one. You can see that here. I hope this bubble wrap is enough ASMR for you. My teenager tells me I need to do ASMR. Here we are. We have a pond. And if you just listen to the package being opened, go to your happy place. I'm not sure how this works, but I think it's supposed to be soothing. As you can see, this is a happy little pond. It's a wren. And so the original sets had wrens and kingfishers. They had a big problem with the kingfishers, the beaks always breaking. And they actually believed that they bought, the production team bought 2 sets and made it wrens, which they switched to anyway just because of breakage, which is kind of interesting. And I wonder if the set was breaking for the production house also. I don't know, but I wasn't there. Here's a white one. I'm going to try to hold it far enough back that you can get some detail, but not that it's going to be blown out by the light. Once again, sincere apologies for the video quality. I have shots for some pretty big names, and I don't think they would pay me if they got this video. But hey, it's COVID, so no one's getting paid anyway. All right. Just lost out on a huge photo shoot this last week. Every one of them is intact. Let's put these over here because I'm gonna run into them. The thing is, they're made with a marble powder, so they feel very different than other ones I've felt. They feel like real stone. It's strange. I've held other chess sets from other people before, and it's really hard to explain, but these have like this feeling of being real stone, which is nice. And he wants to eat this chess set very badly. Trying to hurry here because my kids are taking online classes now due to COVID-19, and they have to start some Zooms in a second for their class. My hats off to the teachers who are doing an amazing job. Alright guys, here's the last one. Getting your ASMR sounds in for you. Trying to open it so carefully, but the tape is like seriously heavy duty tape. Alright, look, all the beaks have been intact. A little bright, right? Alright. Well guys, ignore my messy living room, please. It's got motorcycle parts. Just gonna try to give you guys a feel for what the chess set looks like. I do have some colored lighting going here. Well, that's awesome. A big thank you to Hoyles for putting this together, and I'm so glad it's available to fans. Like, this is just incredible. How many years have we been looking for these guys? Well, they're here. So, there you go. Alright guys, so here's the last part of the unboxing. Here's what it comes with. I'm not sure if a pack of cards comes with everybody's, but I've been working with Hoyles for a long time, and they might have sent this for my kids. I'm not sure. But you also get, oh, I got a little thank you note from them. That's awesome. And so here's what it looks like. You get a certificate of authenticity, which I'll hold up to you. And it's embossed. So there's also a certification code on there that they keep, and then along a little history of the chess set, which is also available online. I'll link in the description below. But overall, I'm super impressed with this chess set, and I'm not just saying that because I was part of it. I'm just saying it because I've held a lot of these chess sets over time, and I think that these are the sturdiest that I've seen. So anyway, there you go, guys, and hope you liked it.